Hello friends, welcome to JavaFx GUI tutorial. In this video, we are going to see how to display tooltip for controls or simply for nodes. So then we will improve our tooltip with the font as well as icon. Here you will learn creating tooltip, hooking it to a node. Once tooltip is created, you can hook it to any node, then change tooltip font and add icon to a tooltip. So all the stuff we will learn here. Let's proceed. A tooltip is a quick help which we can assign to any JavaFx node. So the node can be anything. It can be a button, it can be a combo box, it can be a graphic element, whatever. You can assign a quick help text to it. JavaFx provides tooltip class to form the node's quick help. A tooltip will be displayed when user hovers the mouse over a node and rest there for a few seconds. Rest there for a few seconds means the mouse pointer should be stand still, and if it is like that for a few seconds, then a tooltip will get displayed, informing what the specific node is. The setText method of a tooltip can take a string which will act as a help string. Once a tooltip is ready, it can be hooked to any node via setTooltip method. In this video, we will create a tooltip for a button and improve it with font and icon. Improve it in the sense we will improve the tooltip with the font as well as icon. So we will create a tooltip and we will add it to a button. So once the tooltip is created, it can be added to any control. So here in our example, we are going to hook this tooltip to a button. So here you will see we are using the tooltip class. Then we are forming a string. You can notice the usage of new line character so that the text will appear in 2-3 lines. Once the string is ready, this is the tooltip, right? We are making use of setText method and we are setting the help string to the tooltip. Then we are giving this tooltip to the button using the setTooltip method. So once the tooltip is created, it can be added to any node. So for example, this is button. If it is a text field, that will also have a setTooltip. And if you have a graphic element, say for example circle, then you can set a tooltip because all our node, right? Node will support a setTooltip method, and you can set the quick help text to the node. So after this, here we are creating the font and we are setting the Verdana with font size 12. Then to the tip, we are setting the font. So this is the default. Here we improved it by setting a font. After that, here if you see, we are creating the image, get class, get resource as stream. This will give us an input stream, and this time we are creating the image from this stream. And then to our tooltip, we set the image. So here image is ready. Then we construct image view out of this image. And finally, we set graphic to our tip. So if you see, once tooltip is created, here we are using the set text to assign a help string. Here we are assigning a font. Here we are assigning a icon to the tooltip. Now let's go to the demo and implement this. So in our previous video, we created the combo box example. Let's close this, and we will copy our border pan example. Then we will do a refactor paste. We will create a new example called tooltip example. Let's run this. Okay, here we have a hatch box added to the border pan towards the top, I guess. Now we will install tooltip for any of this control. At present, if I hover my mouse and if I make it stay for a few seconds, nothing get displayed. Now we will add a tooltip for button 1. Here is a button 1, right? So tooltip is from JavaFx scene control. So we created the help text string, then we set our text to the tooltip, then we put tooltip to button 1. Now we can build this and we will run. Okay, for button 1 we kept the tooltip, and you can see the tooltip displays in 3 lines. So let me show this once again. This button handles the click event in 2nd line, and the second and changes the label, so that's displayed in 3rd line. So that's because we introduced this /n. Now we will increase the font size. If you see, we previously created tooltip, right? Now we are creating a font, version of font, size is 12 pixel. Then we are setting that font to our tooltip text. This time, if you see, the tooltip looks better. So here, if you see, I kept an icon, and if you want to view the icon, here I am showing extra large. This is the icon. Let me copy this. And paste it in the images folder, which we already have. We in the previous example, when we learned about the scroll pan, that time we created this image, right? And in the same location we will paste our icon also. So the icon looks like this. Now we will create a resource out of that icon and place that to the tooltip. If you see, first we are creating the stream out of this gear image. Java IO input stream. Input stream was already covered in one of our playlist, and here we are constructing the image JavaFx in image, then image view. We used this technique many times, and we are setting that to our tooltip. Now we will build this. Build succeeded. Now we will run. Here if you see, the tooltip is installed for the very first button, and this tip can be assigned to any button. So tooltip is a separate entity. Say for example, tip 1 was created right now. Instead of button 1, I'm keeping it for button 4, and I'm rebuilding it. Run file. It won't display. Now the tooltip is equipped to button 4. So that means once you create the tip, you can assign it to any node. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.